Hi and welcome back. So in this lesson we are going to learn that how we can combine two sets. Okay, so first of all I'm going to take one set that is having the element, let's say 1 3 odd numbers. I'm going to have odd numbers. Okay, so 11. Okay, and in the set 2 I'm going to have the elements which are having even numbers. You can take strings as well, there is no problem in that. Okay, so how I'm going to combine these two sets, I need to write set 3 is equals to, see, like in list and tuples what we were doing, we were just putting plus sign and it is going to add that, right? But here we are going to use union function. Okay, how we are going to do that? We'll write set 2, okay, set 1 or set 2, you can write any one, dot union. Inside union you are going to give set 2. Okay, and here I am going to print that is set 3, or you can name it as new set so that we can, we don't have any kind of confusion in that. New underscore set, just save it and run this. So see, it has combined the two sets. Now suppose if there is one element which is repeating, let's say 10, and here we have one element which is 3. Now both these elements are repeating. Union is going to remove those repeating elements. Okay, it will keep only one entry. So see, it has removed the duplicacy. 10 and 3 are existing only single time. Okay, similarly if you are going to, since sets are unordered, so even if I am going to write set 2 here and set 1 here, I don't know whether it is going to make any kind of difference or not, because we have already done that elements are going to appear in random order, so it doesn't make any difference, right? So in this case there is no difference, but you need to keep one thing in mind, that if you are using union, it is going to remove the duplicate elements. Okay, and there is one more way of doing that, that is you can write update. Okay, how you can do that? So instead of taking a new set, what I'm going to do, I'll write set 2 dot update and set 1. Okay, so now what it is going to do, it is going to make the change in set 2 only, right? So I'm going to print set 1 and I'm also going to print that is set 2, so that you can notice the changes. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen and then I'm going to run my code. See, your set 1 is having its own elements, but set 2 is having both the elements, that is of 1 as well as of 2. Okay, now suppose if I'm going to reverse this statement, I'll write set 1 dot update set 2. Then what it is going to do, it will do the reverse task. Definitely set 1 is going to get affected and set 2 is same. Okay, but in both the cases, whether you are using union or you are using update, in both the cases the duplicate elements will get removed. Okay, so you need not to worry about the fact, okay, that duplicacy will be removed or not. You need not to worry about that. Okay, so the next and the last thing about set is that suppose if I have created a tuple or a list, suppose I have a tuple that is 1 2 3 4 5, but I want to display the element as set. So what I can do, I need to cast this. This is the very simple concept. You need to understand it and you can apply it with any of the data type. Okay, with your collective data type, number, string, any. Okay, so I'm going to write set here. Okay, and suppose I'm going to assign it in a variable that is s1, and now when I am going to print this s1, so the elements would get printed in the form of set instead of tuple, although I have given that in tuple form. See, in case of set I need to give the curly brackets, but here I am giving round brackets. Okay, so when I run my code, it is giving me curly bracket, so that means this has become set. This is known as casting. Okay, this is known as casting. With this topic we have finished our data types, and now in the next lesson we are going to discuss our new topic that is known as conditional construct. Okay, so let's meet in the next lesson. Bye bye.